Hi everyone, my name is Ridho from Student School 5, Jember. In this opportunity, I will tell you about the legend of Ridho waterfall. I think most of you all know it well because it is the famous one in East Java and it is the highest waterfall in our country. But not many people know about the legend of Ridho waterfall. You ready for this? Once upon a time, lived a young man and young woman as a family in Berber residence. He is a handsome man and beautiful woman, a rich couple but unhappy family. They have difficult problem about the principle of life. Her husband thought, life is from the God, will back to the God. Everything is for the God. Rich and paradise is not important for him. But his wife thought the life is for happy, rich and paradise is very important for him. So they couldn't solve the problem. They came to a great man in Kunci and suggested to do the best, work hard without thinking about the result. Came back and did them all together. Time by time, a month just a year. He became very rich. His wife very happy every day. She broke to talk about her rich. She forgot her husband and the God. It made her husband more sad and angry. He left his wife and went to a holy man in Liman. He learned much about Islam and he liked staying in a quiet place and had meditation under a waterfall. He did it many days, even more. He forgot his wife. One day he woke up and wanted to see his wife at home. But he couldn't find her. There was only an old woman with angry face. Go away! This is mine! She shouted. Who are you, an old woman? He replied. The old woman was very angry to him and said many bad words. He was sad and confused. Where my wife is, who the woman is. He thought and thought. But there was no answer. So he decided to stay under a waterfall. For his life as a widower, he didn't know that the woman was his wife because he was old. His wife stayed alone at home. No husband, no child, no friend. She got old and weak. Her face not beautiful again. Everyone didn't like her anymore. That's why the waterfall named Ridho, because Ridho means a widow, referring to the young man. Maybe that's all from me. Please apologize to me and make a mistake at my word. Thank you very much, and bless I say, see you again.